Here's my tip or trick for you guys if you're just starting out with TikTok. As a small creator, one of the things that I do to get samples that I normally wouldn't get approved for because I don't have the GMV yet is going to webinars. It's a good way you can get free samples to promote expensive items that you know are going to have GMV max behind them and they're going to push your videos. And if you guys want to hear anybody else's tips or tricks, go ahead and give us a like and a follow from other affiliates.
If you're a busy TikTok shop affiliate like me who's constantly on the run because you work full time or you've got kids you're taking care of, I've got a tip for you. One of the things that I do that I have found helps keep me consistent and on my game is to carry around a bag with me that has TikTok items in it or keep some items in my car. So I have this bag, for instance, here in my car, and I keep some items in it that I can easily film while I'm sitting in the car. If I get somewhere early for an appointment or a meeting or something else that I have going on, I have a couple minutes that I can sit here and film. I also use a lot of TikTok shop items in my daily life. This bloom is from TikTok. I have this car emergency item right here that is also on TikTok that I can promote when I'm in my car. The purse I'm using is also from TikTok shop. And even these keychains and this car air freshener are also from TikTok shop. If you want some more tips and tricks, follow along for more. And if you have any TikTok shop questions, leave them in the comments and we'll come back next week and answer them for you.
My tip or trick for today, especially if you're newer to content creation, is don't overdo it with information. There are so many courses and communities and people on TikTok shop spewing advice. Do this, don't do that. This hashtag, not this one. Have a great hook. It can really become information overload. Take it from me, I have been in probably all the communities there are to be in. And at the end of the day, too much information can almost paralyze you. Find your friends, find maybe one community that you really relate to. If you have any questions about them, I'm happy to answer questions because chances are I've been in them. Put your head down and test. Just try different angles and see what works for you. If you want more tips and tricks, give us a follow and stay tuned for our next video.
Here's my tip or trick for you if you're just starting out as a TikTok shop affiliate. Find you some TikTok shop friends. It doesn't even have to be someone who lives in your same state, but having someone that you can vent to, share information with, and honey, spill that tea with, it's all worth it. And I'm lucky that I have 5 other women that I can share information with. And if you want to find out what their tips and tricks are, go ahead and give us a follow.
Congratulations, you've made it into TikTok shop. Now what do you promote? Because you're so new to the program, sellers are not going to trust you just yet. So you're not going to get approved for samples just yet. But that shouldn't stop you from posting and promoting products. You may come to realize that you probably have already stuff at home. Things that you've purchased yourself from TikTok shop. And sometimes it could be something so rare. And I'm going to show you a way that you can check on the stuff that you already have at home so you can get to promoting it. From your FYP, tap the search bar, then click the little camera icon. Now scan any products in your house. Take the picture and TikTok will find sellers already selling that exact item. You can choose on who to promote based on commission and ratings. Make sure you check both. Another way is going back to your FYP, tap the shop icon next to the search bar, hit the camera again, and do the same thing. Just like that, once you start making sales, you will start receiving collab invites. If you're in the program now, to looking around your house and start posting. And that's it for now. Bye.
So my tip for today is if you just became a TikTok shop affiliate or just got into the creator pilot program, I would focus on one product. Only make videos for one product, because what that's going to do is going to help you with your scripting, because you're going to learn this product inside out. It's going to show TikTok that you are the content matter expert about this one product, giving you better chances of getting ad spend and GMV max behind it. And you're going to develop a relationship with the seller, the shop of this one product. It's also going to help you become more efficient and make content quicker, as you're not spending as much time thinking about the scripts. So if you can only post so many videos per week because you're in the pilot program, or you have never posted a TikTok shop video, focus on one product for 1 month and see what your results look like. Follow us over here. We have 6 amazing creators bringing you their unique perspectives to TikTok shop.